What would happen if you had to keep a really close eye on all of the gauges while driving your car? In addition to watching the road, looking out for stop signs, traffic lights, other vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists, you also had to constantly look at your speed, your fuel level, tire pressure, oil pressure, and so on. You'd crash the car. This is what happens to many of us on GMAT Reading Comprehension. We can't focus on the big picture and on the details at the same time, so we end up digesting nothing. Join me for a YouTube Live event and I will show you how I decide what to read and what not to read. I don't worry about any of the details because I'll only get asked about a couple of them, and when that happens, I go back and do the appropriate research.